3 risks and dangers of borrowing money. It is easy to get into debt, but much harder to get out of debt. 1. It might become a habit. The more you borrow, the more you have to borrow. Over time, this becomes a habit. 2. It makes you more extravagant and less accountable. It is important to live within your earning. A miser grows rich by seeming poor. An extravagant man grows poor by seeming rich. The Bible advises against borrowing. The borrower is servant to the lender. Proverbs 22 verses 7. Borrowing comes with a lot of stress and troubles. It's best to avoid it.